China, robotic and startup, mobile accessories, smart home, security and appliance, the latest in smart technology. If I want to, today ni ba yo la yo. I want to ba yo la. Today ni teknoloji yo. On a qui pas quoi la Chine. Peut-être boire ça. Ah oui. Ça va me cap vivre la vie ya. Yo, nèg yo just travail, nèg travail. China, no. China, c'est big respect. Like wireless microphone. That's interesting. So most yeah. We're checking. I'll get that some come on later. Okay. Bah, là, mais pas pareil. Okay.